I see her, she came with her nigga, but she gon' slide right to my side. I know she pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. She tryna feel like she's asleep.
Hey guys, it's Andrea here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home.
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison.
So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a birthday hair install with a wig from MyShinyWigs. So thank you so much to MyShinyWigs for sponsoring this video. But before we get into the video, for my birthday, hit that subscribe button and that notification button and leave a comment down below because I'm just so excited. I'm really hyped. Okay, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button because I'm on my way to 3K. Also leave me a happy birthday down below. Leave me your best wishes. If you guys want to see how I installed this glueless, long, luscious wig from MyShinyWigs, keep on watching.
So this is how the hair came packaged. The hair also came with a goodie bag. The goodie bag had 2 wig caps, a small makeup brush, an edge control brush, a rat tail comb, tweezers, and a bejeweled headband, which I think is super cute for my birthday. And this is the hair. It is a 5x6 lace closure in 24 inches. Also came with this elastic band, which helped me do the glueless install.
Hey guys, so I'm about to install this wig. Sorry if I sound a little off. I'm coming down from a little cold or whatever. And I also have teeth whitening strips in my mouth right now. I'm trying to do a lot really fast because I'm on a time crunch. And you know, well, I'm always on a time crunch. But today is my birthday. So MyShinyWigs has sent me a wig for my birthday. I'm super excited to try it out for you guys and to show it for you guys because, you know, I know I'm gonna be cute. I'm about to be mad cute. So yeah, I'm about to install the wig. So if I'm not doing too much talking, it's because, you know, teeth whitening strips and I'm on a time crunch. So it's actually just like still in this bag right here. This is the wig right here. It's actually supposed to be straight hair, but you know, it got a little wave to it. It's so long. Yes, it's so long. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, I cannot wait to install this. I'm just going to add foundation to the lace right here just so it melts a lot. Just in case it's not the right like color. Sometimes I can't really tell. Not that this color is off or anything like that, but I'm gonna try and do this like glueless. So I just need it to match perfectly because I'm not gonna be using got-to-be glue or anything like that. She actually bleached the knots and plucked the unit for me, so I really don't have to do any work at all to this wig. I'm just gonna add a little more foundation just so it just matches my skin tone perfectly. But I'm so like, I'm super appreciative that like she took the time out to pluck and bleach the knots for me. God bless her, like, because today would not have been the day for me to try and do all of that. And I'm really just trying to, like, I know I added a lot here, but I really want to focus it in the front because this is where I really want it to blend out the best, the most. So I just have my hair flat twisted. I flat twisted my hair I washed and flat twisted my hair 2-3 days ago, I believe. I can't really corner roll, that's why I have my hair flat twisted. I believe it's not a 5x5 closure, it's a 5x6 closure. So you get more parting space in the front, and then the comb is like all the way back here, so it's flatter at the top. The hairline is like a more natural shape, not like a harsh like line across. So you know, they did something new with their closure wigs, guys. They did something new with their closure wigs. She did a great job plucking the knots on this. She really did a great job. Like, y'all see that? Lovely. Lovely. I'm gonna use my wax stick. Then I'm gonna start flattening out the top of this hair. And I'm gonna be doing a middle part, but I need the sides to like lay really flat. So
change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong?
Guys, let's get into how flat this wig is. Like right here, especially right here. Usually right here is where it's like a little lumpy because there's a comb here. The comb is like back here, like right when your head starts to like slope down. Okay, it's like I was saying. So flat. My hair is flat. Look at this.
They want my life exposed. They want to know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay.
That's a good blend. Wow, that's a great blend. Like, you can blend that great right here because I have hair right here, but like, it don't matter. It does not matter. This is a great blend.
Pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey, yeah, I got one lawyer, got one, and that is the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm. It's me, the Owls, and the twins. It's only the real. I'm moving way too humble. Weezy and handed it off. I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno. This one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's just how my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers. Hey, hey. Yeah, but I guess they must have their reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay.
In body wigs.
We'll see what's about to happen next, okay?
What is this called? My in body wigs, edge controls.
Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box with a...
Sorry guys, I'm hyped because I'm really like the way it's looking. This is my first time doing like a completely glueless, no nothing on my hair wig install. So you know, I'm hyped that it's coming out so well. Yes. Okay. So the only thing I'm probably gonna do with the hair now is just flat iron it because I want it to be like bone straight. But I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back to you guys later when I'm done. And you know, you guys can see the finished look. Okay, so I'm back. I did my makeup. So right now I'm just waiting for my flat iron to heat up just so I can give it a real quick straightening. But guys, look at this hair. This is what the back looks like. Okay guys, and that is the finished look. This hair, I'm so happy with my hair right now. This is like my type of hair, like a long, dark, straight, middle part wig. This is the type of hair, this is my go-to. This is like my favorite look, honestly. Like this wig, clearly one of my favorites. The hair is so soft, like I'm so happy. I'm so happy and I love it. And this is a glueless install. And if you guys don't believe me, hold on. It's glueless install, baby. I did that. I did this glueless install. Yes, I did. And actually, hold on. This is not the final look. Hold on. They also sent me over this jeweled headband, you know, and I feel like it's really cute, especially for a birthday. So boom, this is the final look actually. So it's kind of like my tiara for my birthday. Super excited. So I just want to say thank you so much to MyShinyWigs because you guys are making my birthday just so much better. Like I really appreciate that. If you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave it down in the description box below. I will also pop my coupon code up on the screen and leave it down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. That is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you give me a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Wish me a happy birthday, even though by the time you watch this video it won't be my birthday anymore, but who cares? If you didn't get to at the beginning of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you are notified every single time I post, because I am on my way to 3K and I want you guys with me every step of the way. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!
Alright, they asking for the queen. I'm a bad bitch, she's a savage. Look back while I twerk. No comparison. I'm a